The Laschal SofTouch Suture Scissor is taking the world by storm with its revolutionary design. Using proprietary materials, Laschal has been able to create a scissor that changes the way sutures are currently being removed. The flexible material allows for more torque, which results in an increase in power and strength to the very tip of the scissor, which enables this design to be possible. Even though it is much lighter, it still remains sharper and stronger far longer than traditional stainless or carbon steel instruments. The traditional means of removing a suture is to either sneak a pair of scissors underneath or to use a forceps to lift and create some space so that a pair of scissors can be fit to cut the suture. The problem is that when you create space between the suture and the tissue, it may cause a laceration underneath where it can't be seen, which will lead to more discomfort, more trauma, and ultimately into an extended healing time. How Laschal has revolutionized this process with the SofTouch Suture Scissor is first. It closes to a ballpoint so that it will never harm the tissue from the tip of the scissor. And instead of trying to get underneath the suture or using forceps, the practitioner can simply snip the suture in one easy step. The simplicity of this action will turn many difficult situations into non-events as demonstrated here, where sometimes the tissue surrounding the suture becomes inflamed to the point where you can't even see the suture. In these types of situations, since the scissors are designed to remain open, it can actually gently push the tissue aside and only cutting the suture, again leaving the tissue unaffected. Laschal has been designing premier custom instruments for the top dental physicians around the world for over 30 years. Now, its most revolutionary designs are available for all. Laschal SofTouch, simply a cut above.